Hello guys, welcome to iPlus Education. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss homogeneous linear system of equations. Now let us see here. Homogeneous system of linear equation is represented as Ax equal to B in matrix form. Here we have A as a coefficient matrix, X is a variable matrix, and we have O is a zero matrix. Now X equal to 0 for various variables x, y, z, we have x equal to 0 is always a solution. This solution in which each unknowns could be x, y, z, has a value 0 is called null solution or the trivial solution. Thus a homogeneous system is always consistent. Homogeneous system is always consistent. It has solution, that is trivial solution, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z equal to 0. Hence Ax equal to 0 system has either trivial solution or infinite number of solution. Let us see the flowchart or working rule for this homogeneous system. We have Ax equal to 0, system of homogeneous equation has always a solution, always has a solution. First of all, we have to find rank of A only. We do not require augmented matrix here. We have to find out rank of A. If rank of A is equals to number of unknowns n, then we have unique solution or trivial solution. If rank of A is less than number of unknowns, then we have infinite number of non-trivial solution. But x equal to 0 is always a solution, that is trivial solution. Now let us solve this question. Solve the equation. We have, let us take first question. We have x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0. First equation. 3x plus 4y plus 4z is equals to 0. 7x plus 10y plus 12z is equals to 0. We have this homogeneous system of equation. Now convert it into matrix form. Now in matrix form, we have, write down the coefficient matrix A, 1, 2, 3. Next we have 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 12. Now capital X equal to small x, y, z. And O matrix we have 0, 0, 0. Null matrix we have. Now we have to calculate the rank of this coefficient matrix. Now let us convert this coefficient matrix into echelon form. So here I have to make 0 and this value is also 0 by applying elementary row transformation. So R2 changes to R2 with the help of R1. So here we have 3 R1. This is R1, R2, R3. So 3 R1, 1 R2. Put minus sign. Now R2. So write down R2. We have 3, 4, 4. 3 R1. So we have to multiply 3 here. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now here minus sign is there. So apply minus. We have 0, minus 2, minus 5. Similarly, apply row transformation on third row. R3 as R3, R1. So here 7 R1, 1 R3. Now both have same sign, so put minus. Row 3 is 7, 10, 12. Multiply 7 R1. So we have to multiply 7 here. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Apply minus. We have 0, minus 4. We have 12. 21 minus 12. That is 9. Minus 9. Now let us write down this A matrix. 1, 2, 3. First row as it is. Second row is 0, minus 2, minus 5. Third row is 0, minus 4, minus 9. Now making this element 0, here we have R2, R3. Applying row transformation on third row R3 with the help of R2. 4R2, 2R3, both have same sign, put minus. So we have to multiply 2R3. So 2 into 0 is 0, 2 4s are minus 8, 2 9s are minus 18. Here 4R3, so we have to multiply 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are minus 8, 4 5s are 20. Minus. Now minus is there, so apply minus. We have 0, 0, 2. Then this matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 5. We have 0, 0, 2. Here we have rank. Now this is converted into echelon form. Here from this we can conclude rank of A. We have 3 non-zero rows, so rank is 3. Number of unknowns. How many unknowns we have? X, Y, Z. We have 3 unknowns. So from this we can say hence rank of A is equals to number of unknowns. For this condition, our system will become consistent and it has trivial solution. Whenever rank of A is equals to number of unknowns, that is 3, the system has trivial solution, that is capital X equal to 0, 0, 0. This is the solution whenever we have rank of A is equals to number of unknowns. This is always consistent with has trivial solution. Now let us solve the second question. Let us write down the coefficient matrix A as 4, 2, 1, 3. Next we have 6, 3, 4, 7. Next we have 2, 1. Here Z is not there, so we will take 0. Coefficient of Z is 0 and last W coefficient is 1. So we have A as 3 by 4 matrix. Now converting this into row echelon form to get the rank of this matrix, make these two elements 0. This is R1, R2, R3. Applying row transformation on R2 we have R2 with the help of R1. Here we have 6 R1, 4 R2. 6 R1, 4 R2. Both positive, so take minus. Now 4 into R2. So 4 into 6. We have 24. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 7s are 28. Now 6 R1. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Here minus sign is there, so I'll multiply minus. We have 0, 0, 10 and we have 10 here. Now similarly apply row transformation on third row. R3 changes to R3 with the help of R1. 2 R1, 4 R3. Now applying minus. 4 R3. So 4 R3 will be 4 into 2 is 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 into 1 is 4. Now 2 R1. So we have to multiply 2 here. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Minus sign is there. Apply minus. We have 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2. Now this A matrix is 4 2 1 3 as it is 0 0 10, we have 10 0 0 minus 2 minus 2. Now here I want non-zero element, so I will interchange this column with this column. Here this is column 2, column 3. Now interchange column 2 and 3. Then we have A as 4 0 0. This is 1 10 minus 2. Here we will have 2 0 0. 3 10 minus 2. Now here we have non-zero element below which we have two zeros. Here we have non-zero element. Here I want 0. So let us make this element 0 with the help of row 2. So applying row operation on R3, we have R3 with the help of R2. So 2 into R2 is 2R2. 10 into R3 is 10R3. Now here plus sign is there, minus sign is there. So in such case take positive sign. Even if we can cancel this, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So now applying 5R3. Multiply 5 here. 5 0 0. 5 into 2 is minus 10. 5 0s are 0. 5 2s are minus 10. Next 1R2. So same 0 10 0 10. Now plus sign is there, so add. So 0 0 0 0. Now this A matrix we have 4 1 2 3 0 10 0 10. The last will be have 0 0 0 0. Now this is echelon form. Echelon form. Now from this we can say the rank of coefficient matrix here of non-zero row. So 2 is the rank of this matrix since this is complete 0 row. Now number of unknowns. How many unknowns we have? X, Y, Z, W. 4 unknowns are there. That is rank of A is less than number of unknowns. Hence this homogeneous system has infinite number of non-trivial solutions. System has infinite number of non-trivial solutions. Those solutions can be obtained from this matrix. Here we have 0x, 0y, 0z plus 0w is equals to 0. 0x 10y plus 0z plus 10w is equals to 0. Here this 0 is obtained from this O matrix, Ax equal to O form. So this 0. Now from this we can write down 10y is equals to minus 10w. So we have y is equals to minus w. Here rank is less than number of unknowns. We can calculate the number of independent variables. Number of independent variables, that is number of independent variables are n minus r. N value we have 4 variables we have x, y, z, w, and rank we got as 2 minus 2. So we will get number of independent variables are, here the number of independent variables are 2 and other 2 two are dependent variables. Let two variables, let us take w is equals to k1, and we will take y, or we can take z is equals to k2. We will suppose two variables as k1 and k2. Now if we substitute here, then y will become minus w value is k1. So we have w value, z value, y value. Substitute in this equation, we will get the x value. So we have 4x plus y value is minus k1 plus 2 into z value is k2 plus 3 into w is k1 equal to 0. Now 4x, here we have 3k minus k, 2k, 2k1 plus 2k2 equal to 0. 4x is equals to minus 2, common we have k1 plus k2. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, so x value will be minus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. Hence the x vector will be x, y, z, w. So we have x value is minus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. Y value is minus k1, z value is k2, w value is k1. So here k1 comma k2 belongs to a real number. So different values of k1 and k2, we will get different solution for this question. So infinite number of solution exist for this system of homogeneous equation. Determine B such that the system of homogeneous equation 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0, x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus bz equal to 0 has a bit trivial solution, b bit non-trivial solution. Let us solve first trivial solution. We know that for trivial solution, x, y, z value is always 0. That is, capital X is null matrix. That is x, here we have x, y, z. So x, y, z, this vector is always 0, 0, 0. X is 0, y is 0, and z is also 0. So for trivial solution, the only values for x, y, z are 0 only, irrespective of b value, irrespective of this b value, irrespective of b value. That is, b can be any real number. Now let us solve for non-trivial solution. For non-trivial solution, the rank of A. For non-trivial solution, a rank of coefficient matrix A should be less than number of variables. Now let us calculate the rank of A. Take coefficient matrix A. Here we have 2, 1, 4. 1, 1, 1, 3. 2, 3, B. Now let us calculate the rank of this matrix. Here we want 0, and here also we want 0. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Applying row transformation on second row. So R2 changes to R2 1. Here we have 2 R2, 2 R2, 1 R1. Both same sign, so put minus. 2 R2. So we have to multiply 2 here. 2 R2 means 2, 2. 2 3s are 6. Minus R1. So R1 value is 2, 1, 2. Minus, minus, minus. We have 0, 1, 4. Now apply row operation on third row, that is R3 with the help of R1. 4R1 2 4R1 2R3. Now minus sign. Now 2R3. So we have to multiply 2 here. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 into B is 2B. 4R1. So we have to take 4 here. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now minus sign is there. So take 0, 2, 2B minus 8. Now our matrix will become, we have 2 1 2. Next second row we have 0 1 4, 0 2, 2B minus 8. Now I want this element to be 0. This is R2, R3. So changing R3 to R3 minus 2R2. Now R3 as it is, 0, 2, 2B minus 8, 2R2. So we have 0, 2, 8, minus, minus, minus. We have 0, 0, 2B minus 8. We have minus 8. Now applying minus, we have this. Now write down A is equals to 2 1 2. Next row is 0 1 4. We have 0 0, third row 0 0, 2B minus 16. Here for non-trivial solution we should have a rank of A should be less than n. N means number of variables, n refers to number of unknowns. We have n value as 3. Since we have 3 variables x, y, z, 3 variables, so for rank to be less than 3, this value is 3. So rank of A should be less than 3 means rank of A should be 2. That implies rank of A should equal to 2. For rank to be 2, we should have 2 non-zero rows. First non-zero row, non-zero row. This element, the value of this element to be 0. Then only we will have 2 non-zero elements. That implies 2B minus 16 should be 0. Then now B is equals to 16 divided by 2, that is B equal to 8. For this value of B, the system has non-trivial solution. Find the values of K such that the equation has non-trivial solution. Whenever we see non-trivial solution, it means rank of A is less than the number of variables. This is the condition for non-trivial solution. We want rank of A. So let us solve this. Writing coefficient matrix A, from this we have 1, 1K3. Next we have 4, 3, K. Next we have 2, 1, 2. This is the matrix, coefficient matrix A. We will convert this into echelon form to get the rank of this matrix. Make these two elements to be 0. We have using first row. Now applying row operation on R2. We have R2 as R2 4R1. So we have to 4 into R1, we have 4R1, 1 R2. Both are positive. So take minus. R2 is 4, 3, K. 4R1. So multiply 4 here. 4 1s are 4. 4 into K is 4K. 4 3s are 12. So apply minus, we have 0, 3 minus 4K, K minus 12. This is second row. Now apply row operation on third row. R3 changes to 2R1, 1R3, put minus sign. Now write down R3, 2, 1, 2, 2R1. So we have to multiply 2 here. 2 1s are 2, 2k, 2 3s are 6. So add 1 minus 2k minus 4. Now we have A as 1k3. 0, second row is 0, 3 minus 4k, k minus 12. Next 0, 1 minus 2k minus 4. Now we have non-zero element below which we have two zeros. Here non-zero element. Now make this element 0. Here we have row 2, row 3. So applying row operation on third row R3 with the help of R2. 1 minus 2k into, here we have to multiply 1 minus 2k into R2. 1 minus 2k into R2 and 3 minus 4k into R3. So we have to multiply 3 minus 4k into R3. Here we have both positive signs, so put minus here. Now we have to multiply 1 minus 2k to this row. So this will become 1 minus 2k into 0 we have. So first row 3 is there. So here we have to multiply 3 minus 4k. So 3 minus 4k into 0 is 0. 3 minus 4k into 1 minus 2k. So we have 1 minus 2k into 3 minus 4k. Now 4 into 3 minus 4k. Now this operation 1 minus 2k into 0 is 0. 3 minus 4k into 1 minus 2k into, we have k minus 12 into 1 minus 2k. Here we have minus sign, so put minus minus minus. Now we have 0. These two terms are same, so these two will get cancelled. We have this, here we have 0. Now multiply here, we have 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 4 4s are 16k. Here I have minus, multiply k into 1, we have k, 2k square minus 12 plus 24k. Now this will become minus 12 plus 16k minus k plus 2k square plus 12 minus 24k. Here we have 2k square. Here I have 16k minus 1k, 15k plus 15k minus 24. So we have 14 minus 5, we have 9k, so minus 9k. Next constant we have 12 and this 12 will get cancelled. We have 2k square minus 9k. Now we got third row 0 0 2k square minus 9k. Let us write down matrix A. We have 1k3, 1k3. Next we have R2 as 0, 3 minus 4k and k minus 12. Third row we have 0 0 2k square minus 9k. Now this is row echelon form. We have got echelon form. Now it is given that non-trivial solution means rank of A should be less than n. N value we have number of variables, we have x, y, z, 3 variables. So rank of A should be less than 3. So let us suppose the rank of A as 2. If rank is 2 means it has two non-zero rows. First non-zero row, second non-zero row, then this row should be the row of zeros. So this element should be 0. This element must be 0. so that we will get rank as 2. That implies 2k square minus 9k must be 0. Take k common, we have 2k minus 9 equal to 0. Equate k equal to 0 and 2k minus 9 equal to 0. K is equals to 9 by 2. So we have two values of k for which the system has non-trivial solution.